Some mornings begin simply with water, with breath, and just a moment to return to myself quietly. Over the years, I learned that you don't need a sketchbook to feel creative. This is just my personal planner, the same place where I write reminders and groceries and little notes to myself. One day, a few years ago, I started painting right on the pages, even while I was still in bed early in the morning. Nothing fancy, ink and some simple watercolor. Eventually, it became a small ritual that I started going back to over and over. Life in midlife is busy and sometimes tender. We carry so much. We wake up in the morning and we think of everything that we've got to deal with. But sometimes the softest reset is sitting down, letting the water settle, and putting a bit of color on a page. Art has kept me grounded through so many changes, especially through rebuilding, through all the parts of midlife that no one really prepares us for, because no one ever talked about it. Here's the thing, you don't need a perfect setup to do this. You don't even need a plan. Just a few gentle minutes with your own company, just you, me time. When life feels heavy, I come back to these little rituals. I'm not trying to create a masterpiece, not even something beautiful. I'm just trying to create a moment that feels like it's mine. I lose myself when the brush hits the paper and I see the color spreading. I lose myself in that moment. Watercolor is magical that way because watercolor is exactly what you need. It has a life of its own. It follows its own rhythm, its own place, and it turns into something more beautiful than you expect. So maybe that's the real reset, giving yourself permission to pause. I'm going to be quiet for a few minutes so that you can enjoy the watercolor and the music. You know, there's something healing about watching color bloom on the page. And it reminds me that I am still blooming also. Even now, even after everything, even at almost 68. A quiet reset doesn't fix everything, but it gives a softer place to land. So, if you're going through your own midlife reset, try this. I hope you find a few quiet minutes just for you today. You know, we all deserve that gentle morning time. Thank you so much for watching.